What's your story? Are you a professor, tech entrepreneur, celebrity, lawyer, doctor? And whoever you are, a portfolio website lets you tell your story and connect personally with your audience. Discover the benefits of a portfolio website. Build personal brand and online presence. Showcase your work and skills globally. Connect with clients, employers, audience. Take control of online identity. Affordable self-promotion. Track website visitor analytics. Stakeholders can access your work 24/7. Showcase testimonials to attract new clients. In a world dominated by social media, don't forget the power of a portfolio website. Let the statistics speak for themselves. Join the growing number of people worldwide who are taking their personal brand to the next level with a portfolio website. Showcase your talent and leave a lasting impression with NexKraft's portfolio website service. Get started today. www.nexkraft.com/ppw